Ang buhay. Long live good person, good life. Sharing you my a day today. Here in Life is Here Again. Just a simple walking to the community, my new community. Here it is. Introducing to you my new community. Just a walk nearby the neighborhood is my everyday wellness. Have a glance of my latest community. I have chosen to be here. My new chapter, my new life, my new beginning. People here in the neighborhood rarely know each other, but me, I really love to win more friends. So now and then, if there is an opportunity, I will really would like to win more friends. And as much as friends are our treasure, our jewels, especially our neighbors. In times of depression, which we need help, our neighbors is our rescue to the police. Yeah. So just sharing my moments here, the new chosen life that I have. So this is it. I am having my selfie, just short walk nearby the subdivision. My chosen life, really. It's so amazing. Walking here, life in the city is different with the life in the rural areas, wherein you really know each other. You are close, even the far houses from your residence, you know them well. But here, we just have few friends, wife, and as much as everyone here are busy people, all of them usually in the city, they have work, students, but in rural areas, there is enough time for relaxation. Here, everyone is busy. Seems like you are in the United States or abroad. So this is my life today as I feature my day of walking for a change here in Davao. Life is Here Again. So just sharing you my community here in Residencia del Rio. Let's go over there for another walk wherein if I'm perspired, there is something that's so wonderful feeling inside me. Actually, I would like also to survey, in as much as in the last few days, our slippers, our sandals, in as much as we don't have a gate of our own yet. Usually, our slippers, nawawala yung isa, yung sandal, and our suspect is as 3 dogs here in the subdivision. So, I do not know how to look for that dog. So many slippers already, sandals, shoes that was left outside outside the door, outside the house. And when we will wake up, there's no more shoes, no more one of the pair of that shoes, or one, it's either the left or the right. It's already nowhere. So the suspect is the dog, but I have not seen here in the nearby block. My line of thinking is telling me that might be the owner not able to see what his or his dog is doing. Might be in one place. The dog is gathering the slippers that was taken from outside of our house. So I would just really like to look for that, to investigate on that. So these are my neighborhood. There are children playing. Mabuhay! Mabuhay neighbors. Okay, yeah, they're cute. My neighbors.